Hi, I'm Tiana.
And I'm Adrian.
And this is
Tiana and Ace Taste. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about turning Tiana's backyard into a mini nighttime oasis.
Hi, so I'm just going to be showing you basically what we did to hang the lights and kind of what we purchased to redo everything here. So there's a little clip here. We used command hooks that are actually meant for Christmas lights on your house, so they're indoor and outdoor use. So when you're done with them, if you wanted to take them off, you can just pull this off and it's not going to do any damage to the fence, and the lights just clip right in. And then the strand of lights that we bought, obviously we wanted white to match the fence so that you don't really see it during the day, but it was also really important that we have the lights as close together as possible and the most lights per strand. So we just basically bought ones that had the most number of lights in the foot that we wanted, and then just attached them all together and ran them the whole length of the fence. Keep them as neat as possible when we join them. On any lights, there's always kind of a blank space where it first starts and then where it first ends. So what I did is I just looped everything around the connection and then attached a zip tie to it and then just clipped off the excess. And that makes it so that you're not even really noticing it, especially when the lights are on at night, you don't notice it at all.
How fun and inviting is this? You never want to go back in. And you can gather around a roaring fire, and you know what to do with that. That's right, you can't forget the s'mores. How simple was that to create your own private backyard oasis?
So I hope you enjoyed today's video and it gives you some inspiration to redo your backyard in an inexpensive way to give it a nice refresh.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment for us. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so.
Bye.